Hello, my name is Gabby Taylor. My first year field placement was actually at my job. I did a worksite field placement. Um, my job title there, I'm the registrar. I register the kids, but I also work with kids as far as creating interventions for kids that have truancy issues, and I work with the homeless families as well. When a kid becomes displaced or the family becomes displaced, I help them to get resources in place. I help them with school enrollment and transportation to school as well. Any barriers that would prevent them from being able to register for school, that's basically what I help them with if they become homeless, whether they're coming into my district or they already live in my district and have become displaced outside of my district. My experience working with families in my job so far, or my field placement, I actually have a lot of experience working with families. I've worked with families in domestic violence. I've worked with youth and adolescents in residential treatment centers, at psychiatric hospitals. I've worked with youth in residential alternative to detention, as well as in the school system. Um, the basic structure of my family system, I was raised in a nuclear family initially. My father passed when I was 8 years old, and my mother never remarried. So then we kind of shifted into just having a single parent family at that point. Um, One role I have played in my family that I think might um, impact in my career, um, I usually play the role of the rescuer. That's probably one of the biggest things that I've had to work on over the years because a lot of times it has led to situations where codependent relationships were formed with people. And for a long time, I struggled with my own identity in regard to that because I started to feel like this was my purpose. I'm supposed to take care of everybody. And it was emotionally draining, it was mentally draining, and I really didn't know how to get out of the cycle of it. So that's one thing that I definitely did struggle with. And sometimes I have to catch myself when I am working with a client when I start to kind of fall into that role, especially because of counter transference. I have to be more mindful of that. But other than that, that's it. And I look forward to meeting all of you.